This is a 2011 GMC Yukon XL. It has the second row bench and then the third row bench, so you can fit, I think, 8 people is what it is. And it has the sunroof, rear DVD system, backup camera. It's 4-wheel drive. As far as the outside goes and condition, and for the miles, it's in great condition. You can see the fender really good here. These little side moldings, little sticky tape is kind of popping out just a little bit. Pretty typical though. Got the running boards. Doors look to be in great shape. Couple little scratches and nicks here and there, but I mean, it does have 160,000+ miles on it. So considering that, this is in really good shape. The biggest cosmetic imperfections would be this back bumper. Just here on the left side, you can see some of the clear coat and paint kind of fading, and then it has some chips and spider cracking. It has a little chip here. Pretty minimal for the miles in year considering. And then you do have a little bit of peeling of the paint on the edge of this little handle. Taillights look good. Running boards look good. And a couple little scratches here and there. So a little bit of a deeper scratch there. Peeling up just a little bit here. Probably some sticky tape would help. Some refreshed tape. The hood has a couple small little dents here. I don't know if you can see those in person, but I don't see a ton of rock chips or anything. I see a little gash here across the bumper, but same thing, the front bumper looks pretty good. I don't see any missing paint, just some small rock chips here and there, but nothing crazy. Overall though, it's in great shape. It's a non-smoker. Let's pull into the shade here. Okay. Got the AM, FM radio. It's flashing there in camera, but not in person. You can see the little waviness. That's just the camera. Got the dual zone climate control. Buttons are a little worn out here. It's very typical. They do make stickers that are opaque that can cover that up if you really want. The cap's missing here, but the buttons look all nice and clean. Bluetooth. Cruise control. Steering wheel looks to be in great shape. It does have a cracked windshield that will be replaced. There's your 4-wheel drive, automatic headlights. Got the backup camera. Built-in garage door opener. Got your sunroof. Works like a charm. And you do have a shade. Cover that up. Got your cup holders. There's your console storage there. Has the typical dash cracks. You'll see this in a bunch of GM products like this. Very common. You have the heated seats, both driver and passenger for the front, and then the driver memory seat package. Power windows, lock side mirrors, child locks for the windows. Then you have your power folding side mirrors. There's your interior. It's got the leather. The driver's seat here, the upper wear and tear looks good, and the bolster, but you do have a little crack here, which can be repaired. Rear DVD system. There's your second row bench. Got your headphones for your Panasonic DVD system there. These back seats here for the second row, they're heated as well. Got your climate control, 12-volt port, cup holder. These seats look to be in really good condition. It does not appear like they had car seats or anything on them because I don't see any big indentions. And then there's your third row. Door panel looks good. Handle's solid. Oh, and then here you got your floor mats. Carpets look good. It's got the power lift gate. Ton of storage back here, or space at least. You got some cubbies up there in the corners. And you got a 12-volt port here. You do have your button for your lift gate. That looks good. The inside of this is just super clean. I mean, you would not know it had 168,000 miles or so. Looking at your key, you got 2 keys, and it has built-in remote start.